In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold, how to trade XAUUSD. So guys, this is a gold trade I'm currently sitting on, running about 1 to 2 hours, and it has been going smoothly, but then don't be deceived. Right here on this particular, setup, I've taken a loss. I took a loss in the morning trying to long, right about here. I took this long entry here, no, here. Let me zoom in to show you. I took this long entry around here when price came back. But then my stop loss was here. And then price came and just kissed my stop loss and started going back. So immediately I saw that price came back and took out this high. The next thing I did was to set my buy limit again. Once I saw that price came out, took out this high right here, I was then, comfortable to set my buy limit again. So I set my buy limit again, price came back, tapped it, was ranging, and then boom, we saw the bulls step in and drive price all the way to this point. I'm holding my TP to 2,400. This is like a psychological level for me, right? Because price has just been playing around 2,300. And then now we got this expansion to the upside. So I'm expecting to see price at least come into 2,400. Tomorrow is Friday, end of the week. So I don't know. Probably we may see price coming to 2,400 before it, consolidates again, plays around, and then we wait to see whether it continues being bullish or we get some corrections. So now let me show you the whole idea behind this trade. Let me show you how to trade XAUUSD. So it's very simple, right? It's very, very simple. Now, my whole trading system or strategy is based off what the 4-hour candle does, right? What does the 4-hour candle say? What does the 4-hour candle say? That's what I base my trading on, right? And the reason why I use the 4-hour candle to make a decision as to whether I should be buying or selling the market is because the 4-hour candle is the more established candle, is a stronger candle, is a stronger time frame, right? So if a 4-hour candle forms and closes, it means it took 4 hours before that candle still got formed. So whatever the outcome of that 4-hour candle is, it's more likely to hold, right? So if you have a 4-hour bullish engulfing candle, it's more likely going to hold more than when you have a 1 hour or 30-minute bullish engulfing candle, right? So gold has been very bullish. My strategy is just very simple, plain stupid simple. Gold has been bullish, so I'm looking for longs. Then I draw my areas of support and resistance, right? Draw my areas of support and resistance, wait for price to come back into those areas, then wait for price to give you some form of liquidity sweep in those areas, or probably just tap into those areas of support or resistance, area of supply or demand, whatever you want to call it. Then once it taps into that area, you wait to see price give you a very strong bullish engulfing candle. In this case, we are buying, right? So I'm waiting to see a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour. So that's what would tell me that, okay, bro, get ready to get into the market because we're going to make money. So now let me show you what happened, right? Price has been coming. It broke this horizontal level, came up, and it came back to the horizontal level, started testing it. Now, when it came back to this horizontal level I drew right here, what would you notice? It gave us a pin bar right here, right? When I saw this pin bar, I was like, all right, let's wait and see what will happen next. I saw this next candle. I saw this next candle again. I was like, okay, let's wait and see what will happen. Then we got this very small candle and then a bullish engulfing candle. So immediately I saw this bullish engulfing candle, then went to the lower time frame to look for a POI for me to buy from. So that was exactly what I did. So immediately after this 4-hour candle closed, this 4-hour bullish engulfing candle closed, I then went to the like 1 hour and then I got this small pin bar like candles here as my point of entry. So that's why you see that I drew this horizontal, this line here. So that was where I used my entry. I put my entry here and put my stop loss at this bottom. But unfortunately, price came and then it didn't respect it. It came all the way and took out my stop loss. So that was why how I took the first loss on this, you know, setup right here. But then I didn't just give up on the setup yet. Immediately I saw that price reversed again and then broke this high right here, this high that was from there. Then I felt, okay, we're still likely gonna see buyers step into this market. So go back to the 4 hour. What then do you see? You see another bullish engulfing candle, a very, very strong one. Very, very strong bullish engulfing candle. So this now is also giving me more confirmations that we're likely going to still see these buyers push price up because they are not yet tired. They are not tired, right? See this strong bearish candle, then we still got a bullish candle that covered it up. So that was what gave me more confidence that gold is still likely going to continue the bullish trend. So guys, very, very simple. It's as simple as this. You know, you follow the strategy, you follow the system, you manage risks, and boom, you're already there. I always say this. If you have a trading strategy or an edge that you've back tested over and over again, and it has proven to be profitable, right? Let's say it has a 50% win rate. Let's even just be very conservative, 50% win rate. All you need to now do is to manage risks. If you manage risks, no matter what happens, right? No matter what happens, you're always going to have either of these three outcomes. One, it's either you're going to have a small loss, or two, you have a small win, or three, you have a big win. Then four, you could say break even or you break even on the trade based on your trade management, right? But basically, you could just either have a small loss, a small win, and a very massive win. And if you're always going to be having these three outcomes, it means that you're never going to go broke, right? You're never going to blow the account because you're always going to come back and have those big wins that will, you know, put you up in profit always. So if you check my trading history this week has not been the best of weeks for me, to be honest, because I took like several frees, a lot of frees, of which a lot of them are losses. But I had like 3 wins, and this gold trade right here with one other trade I took on Euro USD and gold also has still put me at least 1 hour in profit for the week. So depending on what your 1 hour is, depending on what your 1 hour is, at least you didn't lose money. At least you made money. That's just the point. And the consistency in doing that is what will make you a profitable trader overall. It's what will make you successful at the end of the day. So let me quickly show you guys GBP USD, the loss I took on GBP USD today. So I believe it's not just the wins I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you the losses so that you see what is going on. And probably if, you're going to learn something from it. So this is GBP USD. See what the market has been doing. The market has been trending down. We came all the way here, took liquidity, and then CPI drove the price crazy down, massive sell. So price came all the way to this place, took out these lows. And I was like, well, we've gotten the liquidity sweep, right? Price is coming back into this area of support right here. So it's also something to, look at. Then I started waiting for, bullish indications to buy this market. Then what happened? After price took out this liquidity, it started giving us some, you know, range indecision candle, and then boom, we got a bullish engulfing candle. I think I took the trade after I was interested in taking the trade after this bullish engulfing candle, right? So here it is. We have a bullish 4 hour engulfing candle. So I was still very patient, waiting to see that the next candle breaks, structure to the upside. And that did happen. It broke structure to the upside. So I put my entry around here and put my stop loss here. But then unfortunately I got stopped out. Then annoyingly, after I got stopped out, this was where I got stopped out around here on my first entry. After I got stopped out, something happened. I saw that it gave another crazy bullish engulfing candle, right? See the wick below, and then this is the candle. So I was like, well, this is probably still gonna, it's probably gonna still go up, right? Then I took another entry right here. Went to the 1 hour, looked for, a point of interest to enter off. So I think I entered around here or so. But then unfortunately, the price came back all the way down and took it out again. Like again, took it out, took me out again, and then it didn't just sell, it now started ranging again. So I got really frustrated on GBP USD, took two losses on it, and price still didn't go anywhere. It's just in the same place. So it can be really annoying. So then I'm not gonna trade this again. I beg it will just be one side. I'll be looking at it. But then it's something you should learn from, right? It's something we should learn from. Let me save it. I think I've already saved it, sir. Yeah, I've saved it already. All right, so that's it for today's analysis. We're looking at the trades we took today and how we could have done something better. So I hope you got value from this. If you did get value from this, please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button for more content like this, guys. So cheers, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.